If you're dealing with a cracked or deteriorating concrete surface and wondering whether it's possible to install ceramic tiles on top of it, this video is your ultimate step-by-step guide. Whether it's a rooftop, balcony, or any old concrete area with cracks, rough patches, or loose segments, this tutorial will show you how to transform it into a clean, durable, and visually appealing tiled surface without removing the entire slab. In this comprehensive video, we start by assessing the condition of the concrete surface, identifying major and minor cracks, and checking for areas with unstable or crumbling concrete. Then we move on to the essential preparation phase, cleaning the surface thoroughly to remove dust, grease, and any loose debris for larger cracks and damaged areas. We demonstrate how to fill and repair them using proper patching materials or a cements and mixture. Next, we apply a bonding agent or primer to ensure a strong adhesion between the concrete and the tile adhesive. Once the surface is fully prepared, we explain how to mix and apply tile mortar correctly, taking into account temperature, surface absorption, and tile type. Using a notch trowel well, we lay out the ceramic tiles in a professional and efficient pattern, focusing on alignment, spacing, and level consistency, especially on surfaces that may be uneven or previously cracked. Throughout the video, we provide essential tips and expert techniques for dealing with tricky spots, such as corners, drain slopes, or previously patched areas. You'll also see how to properly cut tiles to fit custom angles and edges using the right tools, ensuring a clean and precise finish. Once tiling is complete, we explain how to grout the joints and seal the surface to protect it from water, weather, and wear over time. Whether you're a homeowner trying to DIY or a professional tile installer looking for smart techniques to handle damaged substrates, this video delivers practical solutions that work in real-life conditions. Our approach avoids shortcuts and focuses on durability, aesthetics, and safety. Watch until the end for bonus tips on maintaining tiled concrete surfaces, preventing future cracking, and choosing the right type of ceramic tiles for rooftops and exterior installations. If you've ever doubted whether ceramic can be installed over cracked concrete, this video will not only show you that it's possible, it will show you how to do it right. Continuing from the preparation and initial tiling phase, we now focus on the precision and mastery required in laying ceramic tiles over previously damaged or cracked concrete surfaces, especially when working outdoors where exposure to weather can compromise weak installations. In this extended segment, we begin by analyzing the slope and drainage of the surface. This is crucial when working on rooftops or balconies to prevent water from pooling, which could cause both structural damage and tile detachment over time. You'll learn how to check for natural flow directions and how to adjust the tile bed thickness to create or correct the slope if necessary. We then move into the critical stage of tile layout planning. Instead of just starting from a corner, we demonstrate how to dry lay a few rows of tiles first, marking center lines and evaluating symmetry. This ensures that you avoid awkward, narrow cuts at edges or corners, which often result in a weak, unbalanced look. With strategic planning, the finished surface will be more aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. As the tiling progresses, we showcase advanced leveling techniques to ensure consistency in height across all tiles, even when the base surface is irregular or partially repaired. We show how to use tile spacers and leveling clips if needed to maintain even grout lines and surface flatness. You'll also discover how to deal with small dips or high points without compromising tile adhesion. For particularly stubborn cracks or weak spots that may still have some movement, we introduce the use of anti-fracture membranes or mesh reinforcement beneath the adhesive layer. These modern solutions add an extra layer of protection, minimizing the chance of tile cracking in the future, even if the underlying concrete shifts slightly due to thermal expansion or building movement. Next, we guide you through tile cutting and edge treatment, especially for irregular perimeter areas around drains, pipes, or walls. Using manual cutters, angle grinders, or wet saws, you'll learn how to make clean, precise cuts for both straight and curved edges. Special attention is given to expansion joints, why they matter, where to place them, and how to seal them with flexible material rather than rigid grout. As we approach the final stages of the installation, we demonstrate grouting techniques in detail. Depending on your tile spacing and outdoor exposure, we compare the use of sanded versus unsanded grout and how to apply it with a rubber float for full joint coverage. We show how to avoid common mistakes like overwashing or underpacking the grout, both of which can lead to premature cracking or water infiltration. To finish the job, we apply a weather-resistant sealer over the grout lines and discuss optional tile sealers for added protection in areas with harsh sun, rain, or freeze-thaw cycles. The sealing step is crucial for long-term durability, especially in climates with high humidity or extreme temperature changes. Finally, we share professional maintenance advice: how to clean the surface without damaging the grout or tiles, what signs to look for that indicate structural issues underneath, and when to reseal for maximum protection. This video is more than a how-to, it's a masterclass in tiling over damaged surfaces. Every step is explained visually with clear, real-life examples, making it accessible whether you're a DIY homeowner or an experienced tile craftsman. By the end of this comprehensive tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge, tools, and confidence to handle even the most complicated tiling projects over cracked concrete. Don't just cover up the damage, transform it into something strong, lasting, and beautiful. In the final and most detailed part of this advanced tutorial, we take a closer look at the essential tools, materials, and techniques that make a lasting difference when tiling over cracked or unstable concrete surfaces. Every professional knows that good tile work isn't just about appearance, it's about structure, preparation, and detail. This section leaves nothing out. Let's start with the tools. We explain why choosing the right trowel size, such as 10 mm or 12 mm notch impacts adhesive coverage and tile grip, especially on uneven or patched surfaces. We also break down the benefits of different tile cutters: manual snap cutters for quick straight cuts, wet saws for large or hard porcelain tiles, and angle grinders for precision around corners, vents, and drain outlets. Each tool has a purpose, and we show exactly when and how to use them to avoid breakage and waste. Then, we turn our attention to tile adhesive types. Not all adhesives are created equal. For surfaces exposed to sun, rain, or structural vibration like rooftop slabs, we recommend using high flexibility or polymer modified adhesives that can absorb slight movements without detaching the tile. We demonstrate how to mix adhesive to the right consistency, not too runny, not too thick so it bonds well, but still allows working time. Another crucial element we dive into is crack isolation strategy in cases where the slab shows spider web, cracking, or multiple fracture lines. We illustrate how to apply crack isolation membranes, either liquid applied or sheet type, over vulnerable areas. This adds a protective layer between the unstable slab and the rigid tile, minimizing transmission of movement and preventing reflective cracking. We also provide deep insight into tile layout patterns, including staggered joints, diagonal designs, and brickwork offsets. These are not only for aesthetics, they can help distribute stress and hide minor inconsistencies in the surface. We walk you through design planning, spacing adjustments, and how to maintain pattern consistency even when the surface has slight dips or slopes. Next, we explore common mistakes many beginners and even pros make when tiling over cracked concrete. Failing to clean the surface properly before applying adhesive, skipping primer or bonding agents, ignoring existing movement joints in the structure, applying tiles directly over expanding or crumbling areas, using rigid adhesives in areas that require flexibility. Each of these mistakes is addressed with a solution, and we show real examples of what can go wrong and how to fix or avoid it completely. The video also includes a section on working efficiently in outdoor conditions. For example, when tiling under direct sun or in hot climates, we explain how to pre-dampen the slab to prevent adhesive from drying too quickly, which could weaken the bond. We also suggest working in shaded sections or late hours of the day to control temperature and tile expansion during installation. Finally, the video concludes with aftercare tips. When to walk on the newly tiled surface safely. How to clean adhesive or grout residue without scratching tiles. The importance of sealing joints annually, especially in high exposure areas. How to check for early signs of lifting, hollow sounds, or grout hairline cracks, and how to deal with them early. This part of the video is especially valuable for those who want their installation to last not just months, but years without failures. Whether it's a rooftop patio, an outdoor walkway, or an exposed terrace, our guide gives you everything you need to turn a cracked and unstable base into a durable, stylish ceramic tiled masterpiece. Asterisk, by following this entire video series, you're not just learning how to tile, you're learning how to think like a professional, anticipate challenges, and deliver results that last a lifetime. This isn't just about fixing a surface, it's about upgrading your craftsmanship. Asterisk.